Hey guys, Miss Fork. I'm making this little video to give you a little homework help in case you need some help. This skill is a little challenging, so I hope this helps. I'm probably going to make a few mistakes. Hopefully you know what I mean though. Alright, today we talked about the order of operations. The order of operations is an agreed upon rule about what order you're going to do operations in an equation in case there's more than one in an equation or an expression. For example, in this one I have minus and I have times. So if you're looking at this and you just go left to right, you might say 46 minus 6 is 40, times 5, 4 times 5 is 20 with another 0 is 200. But that's not the right way to do this. We have to follow a set of rules, and we use the funny sentence, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," to help us remember that. The P stands for parentheses. You always do parentheses first. So in this equation, I would do the parentheses first. E stands for exponents, which is like a little small number up here, like when we do something that's squared. We won't deal with those too much in 4th grade, but you will next year. So that's the first step. The second step is exponents. Next, you look for multiplication and division. You do those in the same step. And finally, 4th step, you do addition and subtraction. So let's look at this equation and evaluate it. I see a minus sign and a times sign, but I first also notice parentheses. I have to do the parentheses first. 6 times 5 is 30. So I've dealt with this information here. Now I've got to bring everything else down. Now I've got 46 minus 30. 46 minus 30 is 16. That's your answer. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of homework help with the word problems on the back. Alright, for number 7, it says, Tammy buys 2 books that cost $14 each. That's going to be 2 times $14. She pays an additional $2 in tax. How much did Tammy pay altogether? Don't forget to evaluate to see which steps you're going to do first. Number 8. Claudio has 34 toy cars. He lost 2 at the park. That means 2 went away. That's going to be minus 2. He took that amount, the amount that was there, so I need to put those in parentheses, and divided them equally among himself and his 3 cousins. Now, if he divided it between his 3 cousins, that would be divided by 3. But this says it divided between himself and 3 cousins, so that's going to be divided by 4. Don't forget to do your parentheses first. Number 9. Last week, Jean did 2 sit-ups on Monday and 3 sit-ups on Wednesday. This week, she did 3 times as many as she did last week. How many did she do this week? Well, first we need to figure out last week. Last week, she did 2 on Monday and 3 on Wednesday. We're going to take that amount and multiply it by 3 because she did 3 times as many this week. When you solve that, you'll get your answer. Good luck, and I hope this helps.